Hi guys, we will send the Ruggedphone from China directly, global Shenzhen. If you like the phone, you can place the order directly. We will make it global Shenzhen. If you want to make B2B business, you can contact with us. I will put a B2B contact link below the video. We can deliver the global version Ruggedphones and global version smartphones to your forwarded address in Hong Kong, Shenzhen, Guangzhou, and other cities in mainland of China. Also, you can follow us on Instagram. You can scan QR code or search Ruggedphone on Instagram to follow us. We only focus on Ruggedphones. It's Oukitel WP8Pro, IP68, IP69K Rugged smartphone. Let's review the Ruggedphone. It is a 6.5-inch water drop display, HD Plus in-cell screen, 19.5 to 9 radio, Android 10 operating system, MTK 6762D, octa-core 2.0 GHz, 4 GB RAM, 64 GB ROM, 5000 mAh battery built-in. Its front camera is 8 megapixel f2.2 aperture. Its main camera are triple cameras, 16 megapixel, 2 megapixel, 2 megapixel f2.0 aperture. The Ruggedphone have gray color and orange color. This one is orange color. The Ruggedphone have two colors only. It supports NFC, IP68, waterproof and dustproof. The Ruggedphone design thin. It is not think. When you use it in hands, you will feel it looks like a smartphone, but it is better than smartphone, for it have the water drop, waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof function. Here's headphone jack. Fingerprint scanner, pound of button. This is the SIM card slot. Support dual nano SIM card, or 1 nano SIM card and 1 micro SD card. (16 megapixel, 2 megapixel, and 0.3 megapixel. Now let's take the screen protector away. We have the 10 on. All Google apps support. Google Play Store. Here NFC. Storage 4GB LAN, 64GB long. System. Here are all languages it supports. Global languages. Android 10 operating system. Let's make a photo to check its 16 megapixel camera quality. Quality is super good quality. The material is metal housing. Okay, let's continue to check what included in the color box. In the color box, it will come one piece micro USB cable, one piece OTG cable, one piece Europe charger, one piece eject pen, one piece warranty certificate, and the manual. That's all. Thank you for your watching. If you like the phone, you can place us the order directly. I will put an order link below the video. We will make it global sending. If you want to make B2B business, you can contact with us. Thank you for your watching.